My work is really instinctual. It's whatever I'm feeling excited and engaged about it at any given point. And it's me looking through the window and kind of catching a ray of light and being intrigued by something and wanting to investigate further. But they're like, 30 different little Jihans in my head, and they all have different voices, and they all want to explore something unique and different, and they're all pulling a different part of my curiosity out, and it's just...
Hey, that's kind of... Somebody grab a battery? Yeah, I'm sorry.
Do you mind if we go over the question once more? I feel like I got off on a tangent.
Just where did the idea come from? What's your process? That whole deal.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you.
Process, ideas. Where did this idea even come from? I'll just make something up. No, be honest, Jihan. Bare your soul, you like it when artists are earnest. Gosh, that's hard to say. Artists are earnest, artists are earnest, artists are... Okay, wait, how did I come up with this idea? I was parked in my car, listening to that audiobook about plants, and I was eating an apple. No, it was a pineapple. And I was crying. Wait, no, I was at the bodega. Mind swirl. Whoa. I bought a candy bar, some aspirin, microchips, artichoke, salted plums, and a sci-fi romance novel. Then I went for a long walk along the Los Angeles River. I was pondering nature, growth, fungus, the cosmos, the reality of our existence, small creatures reaching out into the vast unknown. And that was it. That's when I saw it.
Jihan. So we'll just start it from the same question again?
Right. Will you repeat it once more?
The whole reflective forest idea, where did that come from?
Right.